In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log into the Hostinger hPanel and explore the analytics features it offers. Let's get started on understanding and optimizing your website's performance through insightful data analysis. First things first, you need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. If you're not familiar, Hostinger is a popular web hosting service that provides a user-friendly dashboard known as hPanel. This interface allows you to manage your website with ease. If you don't already have a saved link, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website. Once there, locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials, remember to keep your password secure and private, and press Login. This will take you directly to your hPanel dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look for the section labeled either Analytics or Website Statistics. Hostinger has a straightforward layout, so finding this section shouldn't be too difficult. The labels might vary slightly depending on updates or specific hosting packages, but typically it should be easy to spot among the main menu options. Once you click on the Analytics or Website Statistics, you'll gain access to a wealth of data concerning your website's performance. Here, you have the option to view real-time traffic data, which means you can see how many visitors are on your site at this very moment and which pages they are currently viewing. This can be incredibly valuable, particularly if you have just launched a new product or blog post and want to see immediate audience engagement. In addition to real-time data, you also have access to historical traffic statistics. This feature enables you to track trends over time, such as peak traffic periods, and see which of your pages have been the most popular. By examining this historical data, you can gain a deep understanding of your audience's preferences and behaviors. Now take things a step further by analyzing visitor behavior, traffic sources, and page views. Look for patterns in how users navigate your website. Understanding where your visitors are coming from, whether it's via search engines, social media, or direct visits, can help you tailor your marketing strategies more effectively. Finally, use all these insights to improve your website's performance. For example, if you notice certain pages have high bounce rates, consider optimizing their content or layout. Ensure your website is fast and easy to navigate, and that it provides meaningful information. Effective use of analytics not only helps in understanding your audience better, but also boosts your website's overall user experience and engagement. That's a wrap for today's guide. By leveraging these analytics tools within your Hostinger hPanel, you're now better equipped to make data-driven decisions that enhance the functionality and appeal of your website.